down to the end. D, what you putting in right here? Tell the folks we live right now. What you got?
Last 4 foot 50 wire.
All right. What kind of wire? That's black vinyl?
Black vinyl.
Okay. Okay, go ahead, D. Put it together. Check him out, y'all. He's putting the last roll on right now. Straight muscle. Straight muscle, y'all. D ain't playing around. Straight muscle. 150 pounds a piece. Give us a call if you're trying to buy something, rent something. Radford Homes, 863-410-0877. As you can see back here, they're going to be connecting to a 6-foot black vinyl fence they put up about a month ago.
This open? Almost finished. No taking nothing business.
No good.
Okay, this is John with Bugwater Pest Control. About to do the termite treatment on the house. I'm gonna spray the attic. It's really, really heavy, and get all the trusses and everything inside there. Then we're gonna do about 100 gallons of chemical. You can see it all in that tank right there.
Yes, sir.
It's gonna go all the way around the perimeter, and then within 60 days, any termite colony and or homes are gonna be dead. Any activity. So it will be gone within 60 days, and you got nothing to worry about after that.
All right, thank you. Keep on going to that stake. Go, what's up, man? How y'all doing today? Y'all just chilling, man? Y'all gonna be on YouTube, man. You ready for that?
Yeah.
What's your name, man?
Isaiah Hunt.
Isaiah, what's up? What grade you in? Third grade. Okay, what's your name, man? Trey what? Trey Johnson, what grade you in? All right, 2nd grade, 3rd grade. Y'all doing the right thing? All right, we got our black vinyl fence installed. Check it out, folks. Got the black fence installed today. All right, it's a good day for Radford Homes. Came through and got the fence put up. We already got the black fence, vinyl fence in the back there. See it back there? That's a 6-foot fence. And then we got a 4-foot fence here, as you can see. All right, we got this whole thing renovated, duplex, up and running, new roof, new windows, new stucco, new cabinets, new tile, new wall tile, new bathroom tile, new tub, new toilet, new vanities. My homeboy's putting it in, putting them fences in. Talk to him, baby. What you got in here for us today? This is a black vinyl 6-inch, 6-foot fence. You can reach them at 863-294-6003. What you tell him, D? Young Bless. Young Bless. I like that, D. Get him, D. All right. Hey, man, I sure appreciate y'all doing this for me, man. Thank you, bro. Yeah, man, I appreciate it. Gotta show love. First Providence Missionary Baptist Church. Y'all can see we got it all stucco. We got the soffits and the fascia put in today. Check it out, folks, how it changed the building when we put these fascias. Now, see this soffit and this fascia here? I was gonna paint that dark gray. But after they put it on, my lead foreman, Felix, came to me and said, man, don't paint that. That looks good with white. Now trim it out white. Don't trim it out cream. We're gonna make that straight white. It's gonna pop. It's already popping now with that black vinyl fence. Everything new. All right. So you come in the door, you got new doors, you got new windows, you have shiplap, wood up top. We drywalled all of this because none of this was drywall. None of this drywall wasn't here. We put firm strips and drywalled it up. Okay? We put new tile on the floor. Here's the bathroom right here. We put what you call Durarock in the bathroom, and that red stuff on the wall is what you call Red Guard. That keeps the water from penetrating into the Durarock, okay? Any mold and stuff like that. So we did a self-leveling on the floor. Buy some self-leveling and it'll level out, okay? You got your kitchen, all right? We got the gray cabinets. In the laundry room, we put the same cabinets inside the laundry room. So that way, anybody have their washer and dryer right here, right? You wash and dry here, and then up above, you put your laundry soap and everything. The backsplash that's gonna pop. Look at that, that's popping with the walls. So that's the color of the walls, and the backsplash is gonna go on there just like that. It'll be absolutely beautiful. All right, check us out, Radford Homes, baby. To God be the glory. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. It's all about the mothers this week. Treat them right, respect, dignity. You already know what it is. Proverbs tell you, when a man find a wife, he find a good thing. All right, I love you, Sabrina Radford, my wife. I'm Greg, one half of Radford Homes. The deal. My lovely, beautiful wife, Sabrina, well, you know the deal. She's the brains and the beauty behind the operation. Salute all that.